Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about, is Manglik Dosh so ferocious? Please let me know. That is what the question I got it from one of my follower who watch my YouTube videos on regular basis. So it's your order, so that my request. Okay? Okay, alright, let me talk to you about the Manglik Dosh. See, Manglik Dosh generally happens if at all Mars is placed in the first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house, 11th and 12th houses. Some people argue with me that 11th house doesn't is not considered as Manglik Dosh. Let me tell you, 11th house also considered as Manglik Dosh. Okay, so basically Mars is the planet which is element of fire. Mars represents fire, right? Mars represents anger, aggression. Mars is an action taker, action taking planet. So energy that you derive that you to achieve your goals will be deriving from only from the two planets. One is Mars, second is Rahu. Okay, these two planets are considered very important in terms of understanding the marital prospects, understanding the marriage prospects. The placement of Mars in your horoscope determines whether you are under the Manglik dosh or not on the Manglik dosh. Okay, so if at all male's birth chart have Mars in the fourth house, example, then it is considered as Manglik dosh. So the Manglik dosh person has to be married to someone who is having the Manglik dosh. Then the balance of energies takes place and there won't be any kind of issues. That is what the ancient text says. Okay, so you have to marry to somebody who are Mangalik. So that means for that person also Mars should be placed in the first house, 7th, 8th, 12th and 11th houses or in the 4th house. So that represents that then there will be a balance in terms of the energies of planetary Mars with the male's birth chart with respect to the female's birth chart. And let me tell you, if at all you ask me a question, is it ferocious? My answer is totally no. Because people who is having Mangalik dosh, people who is having Mangalik, that is Mars in the first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house, 11th and 12th house, their vitality will be very high. They'll be very active and also they are very spontaneous as well. You might have come across some people who are very energetic and but at the same time they are little short tempered and aggressive. But the work, if at all they take up any kind of work, they will not leave until unless they get success out of it. They are very task oriented. So one way it is good, another way it is bad. For marital bliss, it is considered as bad. So if you marry to somebody who are Manglik, who have Manglik dosh, then the balance of energies takes place between the male's birth chart and the female's birth chart. Okay, so that is what it is says that Manglik dosh. That is what is the reason why the Manglik dosh people has to get married to the Manglik dosh person. All right. So thank you so much, and most importantly, ensure that Mars, if at all you are under the Mangalik, let's say in your horoscope Mars is at 7,000. Make sure that other person whom you are marrying also should have Mars in the first, fourth, seventh, eighth, and 12th houses. That is the reason astrologers are very important to understand about your own birth chart. Unless until astrologer tell you what are the complications that your horoscope is having, what are the remedies that you need to take up, and what are the measures that you need to take up for a happy marriage. All these things it can be revealed in your astrological consultation. Okay, so please book for astrological consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Of course, I can able to analyze your birth chart as well as your spouse birth chart, and I can able to provide you the final prediction accordingly. All right. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the consultation. If at all you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.